Welcome Aries to my channel Tarot Queen 777. Let's check your energies for love and career from December 5th to December 11th. So let's first dive into your love reading for December 5th to December 11th. Let's check. You've got divine timing. Be patient while things are unfolding. This connection is worth the wait. So the cards are basically asking you to hold on, to kind of be patient, as far as your love life goes. We'll be picking three cards in the past, three cards in the present, and three cards in the future for your love life. And then we'll be clarifying each of those cards with three cards from the Rider Waite deck. So let's see. You've got the Chariot, you've got the Star, you've got the Ace of Swords, you've got the Three of Pentacles, you've got the Nine of Wands, you've got the Seven of Wands, you have Judgment in the future, you have the Magician in the future, and you have the Ace of Wands in the future. That's fantastic. And let's see what your main challenge is. Your main challenge is the High Priestess. So, Aries, as the week goes on from December 5th to December 11th, a large part of your romanticism is going to be mental. It's going to be like in your head, within yourself, dealing with your hopes, your desires, and all the things that you want going forward. So that is what I'm getting. You're also manifesting something very powerful in your relationship. Both the Magician and the Ace of Wands show that you're manifesting something very powerful going forward in this relationship. Even the Star over here with the Ace of Swords shows that a lot of your desires are going to be like you're going to psychologically try to manifest an outcome. Now let the High Priestess is your challenge, which means that there's an intuitive understanding of your relationship, where you're headed, where you're going. Now let's clarify the High Priestess. You've got the Six of Cups, you have the Lovers, and you have the Wheel of Fortune. So this shows that this could probably be someone you already have a history with, the coming back of someone you already have a history with. Or if you are currently in a relationship, you have a strong memories, memorable memories with this person. So yeah, and expect luck to favor you. The Chariot is clarified by the Eight of Wands. The Magician, you've got the Magician twice, and the Tower. So, someone could have pulled back, or maybe something happened that kind of shrugged the rug from under your feet. Some kind of communication, most likely, that hit you really hard, that caught you off guard. The Star is clarified by the Queen of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Five of Wands. So, definitely, there's some kind of conflict, as far as your hopes and your desires go. Going forward, things don't seem to be matching what you really want or seek out of the relationship. There's a conflict over there, as shown by the Five of Wands. The Ace of Swords is clarified by strength, the Six of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. So, a lot of swords energy, like I said, a lot of what you desire and what you are seeking out of this connection is on the mental plane, is on the visualizing mental, psychological plane. The Three of Pentacles, which shows that you are eager to collaborate with this person or kind of take on more responsibility, is clarified by the Six of Pentacles, the World, and the High Priestess. You've got the High Priestess twice. A certain cycle in your relationship is coming to a conclusion, If you are in a stable relationship, this is the time of new beginnings. Yeah, or if you're looking for closure from someone, now is a good time to get it. You know, the Nine of Wands is clarified by the Two of Cups, the Devil, and the Ten of Pentacles. So, this guardedness, this holding back, this guardedness is because you feel you're overwhelmed by your feelings. You feel quite deeply in the connection. There's a lot of attraction, there is a lot of togetherness. The Seven of Wands is clarified by the Fool, the Justice, and the Moon. Like I said, this is a time of new beginnings, something fresh, a fresh start, a fresh lease of life in your relationship, something different, something new, a period of anxiety too. Like I said, a lot of it is on the mental plane. Judgment is clarified by the Ten of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and the Hierophant. So maybe this person kind of challenges your values, things that you hold close to your heart. This person is kind of questioning those values that you hold close to your heart. The Magician is clarified by the Eight of Swords, the Ace of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. You've got the Nine of Wands twice. Definitely some kind of stress going forward in this week, some kind of feeling trapped in your circumstances, feeling trapped in your decisions, and a time of new beginnings for sure. The Ace of Wands, which signifies great passion, is clarified by the Three of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and the Four of Swords. So, a time of great manifestation, kind of holding back your emotions and not expressing fully. At the same time, exploring new ways of doing things, balancing it all out. So that's all I have for you for relationship. Let's see what's in the shadow. You've got the Three of Cups in the shadow. Maybe, another person or your work or something else, other than this relationship is taking up a lot of your time and your mind space. That is what you don't see coming at you. So that's all I have for you for relationships. Let's dive into your career reading. If you like this video, Aries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. We'll be picking 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future for your career. And just kind of briefly analyzing where your charted course is leading. You've got the Five of Cups, the Five of Swords, the Ten of Swords, the King of Swords, the King of Cups, the Six of Cups, the Four of Cups, the Knight of Cups, and the Lovers. So a challenging time for your career this week from December 5th to December 11th. Something quite didn't go your way, something painful has occurred, some painful conflict, a conflict with someone, not seeing eye to eye, but as the card shows, all these cards, walk ahead, look at the 2 cups that are standing and not at the 3 cups that are, turn around and look at what is going well, or just wake up and cross the sea of suffering. So a painful cycle is coming to an end, Aries. In the present this week, expect collaboration with people you've known for a very long time. Expect help from people who know you very well for a very long time. Okay, and going forward, there's greater commitment to your chosen path. going forward by the end of this week and going forward from this week, there's greater commitment to your chosen path. So that's all I have for you for career. Let's check your what the Gita deck has to say. Let's see what the card is from the Gita deck. Let's see what the card is from the Gita deck. You've got rarity of perfection. So the thing is that you are kind of seeking perfection this week. You're like going the full type A way. You're kind of seeking perfection this week. That's all I have for you. See you next week, Aries.